The human heart is an extraordinary organ that functions as a continuous duty pump, driving blood through a complex network of vessels. It is roughly the size of a clenched fist and sits slightly to the left of the center of your chest. This hollow, muscular organ beats approximately 100,000 times per day without ever stopping to rest. It is composed of specialized cardiac muscle tissue that generates its own electrical impulses to keep a steady rhythm. Without this internal engine, oxygen and nutrients could not reach your tissues. Understanding its mechanics is essential for grasping how your body maintains its internal balance. It is truly the center of our physiological universe. Let us begin our exploration of this vital structure today. The heart is divided into 4 distinct chambers, each with a specific responsibility in the circulatory process. The 2 upper chambers are called the atria, which collect blood as it returns from the body or the lungs. The 2 lower chambers are known as the ventricles, which are much stronger and thicker because they must pump blood out to the rest of the system. This separation ensures that oxygenated blood does not mix with deoxygenated blood, making the process highly efficient. Through these chambers, the heart maintains a unidirectional flow for optimal performance. Each beat involves a synchronized contraction of these 4 sections. By understanding this structure, we can see how the heart effectively powers the human body. The heart's rhythm is not random, it is strictly controlled by an internal electrical system. The process begins at the sinoatrial node, often called the body's natural pacemaker, located in the right atrium. This cluster of cells fires electrical signals that travel across the heart muscle, triggering a coordinated contraction. This timing is critical, ensuring the atria contract before the ventricles to maximize blood flow efficiency. Factors such as exercise, stress, or sleep can alter this signal rate to meet the body's changing demands. When this electrical system functions correctly, the heart maintains a steady, life-sustaining pulse. If this system is disrupted, medical intervention is often required to restore the natural order. It is an amazing feat of biological engineering happening inside you every single second. Beyond the heart itself, a vast network of blood vessels carries life-giving substances to every cell in the human body. Arteries are thick, elastic vessels designed to handle the high pressure generated by the heart's phosphopumping action. Once the blood reaches the tissues, it enters microscopic capillaries where the magic of oxygen and nutrient exchange takes place. After dropping off its cargo, the blood enters the venous system to return to the heart for a fresh recharge of oxygen. This continuous loop, or circulatory system, is essential for survival and overall health. Each vessel plays a unique role in maintaining steady blood flow and pressure throughout the body. By working together, these structures ensure the entire organism thrives and remains energized. Because the heart is a muscle, it responds to the lifestyle choices we make daily. Regular cardiovascular exercise strengthens the heart wall, allowing it to pump more efficiently with every single beat. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides the necessary nutrients to keep blood vessels flexible and clean. Avoiding smoking and excessive stress also plays a significant role in reducing the workload on the heart. Monitoring blood pressure and cholesterol levels helps in identifying potential issues before they become life-threatening. Ultimately, taking care of your heart is an investment in your future longevity. Small, consistent changes in your daily routine can lead to substantial long-term benefits for your cardiovascular system and your overall well-being. Treat your heart well, and it will keep you going for a lifetime. The heart is truly a marvel, and there are many surprising facts that reveal its unique power. For instance, a single drop of blood can make a complete circuit through the entire body in just 60 seconds. This speed highlights the intensity and efficiency with which the heart operates day and night. Furthermore, because the heart creates its own electrical signals, it can continue to beat outside the body as long as it has a supply of oxygen. There are also fascinating differences in heart rate across populations, often influenced by size and biology. These facts help us appreciate the complexity and robustness of our cardiovascular system. Science constantly reveals new insights into how this amazing pump adapts to extreme situations. Never stop being curious about the inner workings of your human anatomy. Now let's test your understanding of the anatomy we discussed earlier. The question asks you to identify the specific chambers responsible for pumping blood out to the body. Think back to the explanation of the 4-chambered system and the roles of each section. Consider which chambers have the thickest muscle walls to handle the pressure of output. Review each option carefully before selecting the one that accurately describes this vital function. This quiz helps reinforce the distinction between receiving and pumping chambers in your memory. It is important to solidify these basic facts before moving on to more complex topics. Take your time, analyze the structure of the heart, and choose the most scientifically accurate answer from the list provided. The answer is B, as the ventricles serve as the primary pumping force for your entire circulatory system. Understanding this simple yet critical distinction helps you appreciate why heart health is so foundational to your physical longevity. You now have the fundamental knowledge to explain how your heart sustains every cell in your body. Continue applying these principles by maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise routine. Keep exploring the complex biology of the human body to become a true health expert. Thank you for choosing to learn with us today at Shiny Brain Academy. We hope this lesson on the heart has sparked your interest in science. Don't forget to subscribe to Shiny Brain Academy for more fascinating lessons on the body.